Gardening makes me feel happy.
When I'm in a bad mood, it makes me calm down.
I like looking at wildlife and nature.
Nature is important because if you don't have trees, you can't breathe.
No trees would be no green, no happiness.
I think nature is important because it attracts insects to the flowers.
I think that plants are not just there to look at, they're there for nature and so we can have more food and honey.
I've learned about the life cycle of a plant. So the beginning, germination, and at the end, when they decay.
I learned that plants need space, sunlight and water.
I've learned that plants can really help our environment because they turn carbon dioxide into the air that we breathe in.
I've grown sunflowers, pumpkins, sweet corn. I come here quite a lot with my family and show them the plants that we've planted.
So I come here with my family often to show them the plants that I've planted with my school.
It was very exciting and fun to come here with my classmates because I usually come here on the weekends to go to the cafe near here and also to look at the plants and flowers we've grown.
It's really fun to come here with my class because we can all experience the joy of nature.